Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set custom keyboard theme on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the keyboard. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on theme. Now from here, you can choose any theme. You can either choose from the colors or the landscape images, or you can choose anything from the gradients. You can either choose light gradient or dark gradient. Now we will choose this one. Just tap on it to download. Now from here, if you disable this feature, it will disable the borders on the buttons on your keyboard. We will disable this option. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just open the keyboard. Now as you can see, this is how you can set custom keyboard theme on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.